Welcome back. In this video, we'll go through the hands-on session on Data Completeness Check. I've logged into my Snowflake account. Please click on this plus button in the left corner and select SQL Worksheet. I got the new worksheet. So to get started, we'll create required tables. So before that, we'll create the database. Create database called testing. Let me run this by clicking this button in the right corner. So database testing is successfully created. Next, I'll use this database. Then let me create tables. The first table which I'm going to create is table employee data source, so in which I have 9 columns. Let me create this. I just created the table. Let me insert some data into it. I'm trying to insert some 11 rows. Just run this. So it's showing number of rows inserted are 11. So let us see how the data is inserted in the table employee data source. So the data has been inserted. So all the 11 rows have been inserted. Let me create one more table, employee data target table. This also has some around 9 columns. Let me create this. So let me insert some values to this target table, employee data target. Here also I'm inserting some 11 records into the table. Yes, it is successfully done. So let me check how the data looks in this table. Select star from employee data target. The data looks fine. 11 rows are inserted in the table. You could observe there is some transformation from source to target in this table, right? So the data set is ready now. So let's begin with all the data completeness check validation. The first check which comes in data completeness check is count check. So for this, let's check what is the count of source table and what is the count of target table and whether they are matching. Yes, let me check the source table count. Yes, it is 11 records. Let me check the count in the target table. That also is 11. And according to a mapping document, the record count is 11, which matches, and there is no discrepancies here. So there is no error. The source data count and the target data count is matching. That means the data is complete in both source and target tables. Wonderful. We saw the count check, which is part of data completeness check in this video. In the next video, we'll see data profiling check. Thank you.